Hey there, I'm going to be showing you how to do a script breakdown. This will help keep your productions well organized and allow you to create an accurate budget and schedule for future projects. So let's get into it. In this video, we'll be going over what a script breakdown is, as well as how you can make one. So, what exactly is a script breakdown? A script breakdown is a very important part of the pre-production process. They help you to easily identify all of the various script elements that need to be prepped, scheduled, and budgeted for on your production. Some of the script elements you'll be marking on your breakdown include the cast, stunts, extras both featured in atmosphere, special effects, props, vehicles and animals, sound effects and music, wardrobe, hair and makeup, special equipment, and various production notes. Script breakdowns are typically put together by either a producer or a first AD. It serves the purpose of helping them with the creation of both the shooting schedule as well as the budget for the production. Script breakdowns can also be used to determine the technical and creative requirements for each department. Before we begin, we need to print out and read the latest version of our script at least once. Reading the script before breaking it down will help ensure that we don't miss anything. Additionally, the last thing you want to do is break down an entire script only to find out that it isn't the current version. So next, let's actually start breaking down a script. The first step in breaking down a script is marking eighths. For those of you who do not already know, scenes are measured in eighths as per industry standard. Script pages are typically 8 inches in length, so an eighth translates to 1 inch of the page, even if the page itself exceeds 8 inches. Once you know how long your scenes are, the number of eighths are then marked in the top left corner of each scene. If a scene lasts longer than 8 eighths, it is converted to a 1. So a scene lasting for 15 eighths would be marked as 1 and 7 eighths. Scripts are broken down into eighths to help accurately time the script and decide how much material can be covered on any given shoot day. Remember that 1 page of a script translates to roughly 1 minute of on-screen time. On your typical dialogue-heavy indie production, you can expect to shoot roughly 5 pages per day. Next, let's start marking our script elements. The order in which you choose to mark your script elements really isn't important, but personally, I've always preferred to start with the cast. Your cast includes any speaking roles that might be present within your script and should be highlighted in red. Any stunt in your script that may require a stunt double or stunt coordinator should be highlighted in orange. Featured extras should be highlighted in yellow. These are extras that are needed for a specific performance but don't actually have any lines. Atmosphere extras should be highlighted in green. This is any extra or group of extras needed to fill in the background. For example, people walking in the street behind your main actors. Any special effects that may be present in your script should be highlighted in blue. Likewise, any props that may be present in your script should be highlighted in purple. These can be objects that are important to your script, or objects that are used by the cast members directly. For example, Dwayne's notepad in the film Little Miss Sunshine. Any production vehicles and all animals that appear in your script should be highlighted in pink. This is especially important if the scene requires that an animal trainer or professional driver be present on set. Any specific sounds or music that is noted in your script should be highlighted in brown. For example, a gunshot or distorted club music in the background. Any specific costumes that are needed for the production, as well as costumes that need to be kept track of for continuity, should be circled. Yes, you heard me right, circled. We've officially ascended past the highlighting stage of our breakdown and can now bust out those glorious middle school drawing skills we used to brag about. If attention to hair and/or makeup is needed, this can be noted using an asterisk. You'll most commonly see this being used for things like scars, blood, and tattoos. If a scene requires the use of special equipment like a telescopic crane or underwater rig, this can be noted by drawing a box around the portion of the script that you're referencing. Finally, for any questions, concerns, or confusions you may have with the script, you can simply use an underline, and then provide additional details to the side of the script. Take for example the following. Exterior, park, day. Katie and Jason are on a date, when all of a sudden, Katie whips out a bat and begins to eat it. Jason, shocked and horrified, can't bring himself to look away. In this example, you may underline Katie whips out a bat and begins to eat it. Next to this, you'd put a note asking the writer to clarify whether they mean bat as in the animal or bat as in a baseball bat, as both would kinda make sense given Jason's reaction. And now you've officially broken down a script. Congratulations! Feel free to come back to this video anytime and use it as a reference. I've also included links to a breakdown guide in the description down below. Anyways, that should more or less wrap up this video on script breakdowns. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If there's any topics you would like to see us cover in the future, just let us know about it in the comment section down below. Take it easy, and we'll see you in the next one.